Hello and welcome to How Not to Make Hotel Butter Steak with crispy potato rounds and broccoli almondine. First you take 2 mini potatoes, put a bunch of oil, salt, and pepper on them and throw them in the oven. Then you start chopping garlic and pretend like you know how to do that. Peel some parsley leaves and hope nobody notices that you had to look at the stem for quite some time and figure out what to do with the ingredient overall. Throw some with some butter in a microwave, toss some almonds on a pan, and just take a ton of broccoli, chop it up into bite-sized pieces, and eventually we're going to steam it. Besides that, somewhere in here, some steak's going to appear, we're going to cook it, then it's going to disappear, then it'll reappear, and I'm going to try to cut it against the grain. I eventually find it, and then I just chop some, nom some, and begin to plate. In conclusion, I do recommend pausing at the beginning of the video to review the recipe, just so you can see the exact times and temperatures that I used, because it's very difficult to evaluate that during a hyperlapse, but I didn't want to take too much of everyone's time just to watch me prepare some steak. Anyway, I do appreciate you tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.